Hey everyone! If you just got a new iPhone 16 and you are trying to connect your AirPods, I will show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. It is super easy and takes only a few seconds, so let's get started. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone 16 and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it is already on, you are good to go. Step 2. Open the AirPods case. Now grab your AirPods and open the lid of the case, but do not take them out. Keep them inside the case with the lid open. Step 3. Press and hold the setup button. On the back of the AirPods case, you will see a small button. Press and hold the button until the light on the front of the case starts blinking white. This means your AirPods are in pairing mode. Step 4. Connect to your iPhone. Now look at your iPhone screen. A pop-up should appear showing your AirPods with a Connect button. Please tap on the Connect and wait a few seconds so your AirPods should now be paired. Step 5. Test the connection. Put the AirPods in your ears and play some music or a video to make sure they are connected properly. You should hear the sound coming through them. If not, go back to Bluetooth settings and check if they are listed under My Devices. If they are, please tap on them to connect manually. And that is it. Your AirPods are now connected to your iPhone 16 and ready to use. Super simple, right? If this video helped, let me know and stay tuned for more iPhone tips. See you next time.